Today is Tuesday, March 30th, and yesterday I finished planting my Dutch bucket. So I have 15 buckets with plants, and then over the weekend I finished my new rail system, hydroponic rail system. So let's see. I've got Chinese peas that'll trellis up, and I've got 2 bush tomatoes, 4 cucumbers, Japanese slicing cucumbers, 1 volunteer tomato, which is like those little currant tomatoes, and then the other one is a beefsteak. See how those two get along. And then that's Anaheim chili. I've got 2 Anaheim chilies, and in the middle I have raspberry that was left over from last season. Hope it makes it. And then I've got 2 okra here, green okra. And then this is an eggplant left over from last season, and that is a Japanese long eggplant. And then I've got 2 patio baby eggplant, so I guess those are smaller. And then this one is a round eggplant called Black Beauty. And then that's arugula. And these things are to help vining, so they're going to be mostly for the tomatoes and the cucumbers. So this is the tote that it flows from. It's got an aquarium pump. Right now I was using Maxi Grow just to get everything started, but I'm going to try, once things start blooming, I'll go to a more sophisticated nutrient mix. That's the drain it comes out of, and then that's the pump that goes up. And then this is the new rail system. So, and that's the electrical system of running 4 air hoses, air bubblers, so 2. And then that's the tote that it comes from. And then it goes up into this regulator because to just the flow. And then goes into these 2 gray pipes that Eddie found on the beach. And I think we've had them for like 6 years. Anyway, he screamed when I drilled holes in them. And so, anyway, it goes to the top one, and then it circles around to the secondary one, and then it flows down into this 3rd rail, which is actually a PVC post that I had extra. So I've got 15 strawberries, and this is the green side. So I've got Swiss chard, romaine, cilantro, romaine, and then the last 2 are spinach. And we'll show you how it comes out. This is where the water circulates from the first one to the second one, and I wrapped it in duct tape to keep the light out for algae prevention. And then everything goes into this cooler, Eddie's cooler. Thank you, Eddie. And I kept it real simple with the drain. With it draining from this post rail into it, and then that's the drain for keep the water level up, because in here right now I've just got some leftover plants and things that just easier to get them watered. But anyway, in here it's going to be taro and watercress. I'm on the search for taro and watercress, so if anybody has any extra, let me know. That's the system right now, and everything's covered with black landscaping material just to prevent algae growth. So the system won't have to be cleaned out as much. And if these 2 strawberries don't make it, I have a couple more that will take its place. And I got all of these at Walmart. I'll have to start seeds, but to keep the cost down. But anyway, satisfaction, immediate satisfaction was the key. And Bender Buddy's gonna eat all the lizards that try to eat my strawberries, right, Bender? Ahui ho!